No scratch, baby, no scratch. That's how you use your camera, bro. We're going up this parking lot. Yeah, I'll be sick. Gotta try and get some lightning shots. Alright, bro. So, we will be going up this sick parking lot and we'll try and get some sick photos. Up here is where we're going. Exciting. Level 1. How many level is this?
I'm not sure.
I think it's like 7 or 6 levels.
This is still level 1.
Yeah, still level 1.
That's the ground floor. This is level 1.
Okay. Yeah, confusing. G
This is level
0.
2.
Okay. We're gonna speed this up. Taking way too long. Makes me wonder, they have an elevator, right?
Yeah, they do.
We could have just like parked downstairs and
Oh wait, did they?
taken the elevator up. Yeah, I think, yeah, we have friends following us in a separate vehicle right now. But I think that's what they did, so we'll need to...
I don't want to bring my gear all the way. Then I forget one gear.
He's a driver. We're here. See that elevator? Wise people use elevators.
If you get stuck in the elevator, it's not our problem.
You don't want to have a look?
Nah, if you get stuck in the elevator, that means there's only one person.
Oh, yeah, wait for me, wait for me, wait for me.
If you get stuck in the elevator, that means you're the only one who's gonna.
Oh my
God!
god. He's gonna be so pissed. It's like he drove all the way up to the top floor. We're going down the elevator. What floor are we going to?
Level 3, man.
Yeah, level 3.
I think that's a good spot.
I actually came here for lightning. I'll probably get poop all lightning, but whoa, look at that. Overexposed. There you go. I think Ian was actually right. We actually don't have any lightning from this view. No mix, you going up later? Alright. I guess up again we go. Oh, why do I press down? Top floor. This is such a tiny elevator, like. No ding sound. Whoa. It just started raining. Level 8. It's gonna be a walk. B-roll. Sorry, my bad, my bad. I don't want a photo. I'm not. Yeah, I want a photo. Alright. B-roll. Alright, done for photos here. Trip your way down.
Where was it? I forgot where it is.
Where are we going?
The other building. It's at the back over there.
We'll cut to that building, wherever that is. Alright, we are now in this
Sunday, 756.
Do you have to pay to get in here?
No, free parking Saturday, Sunday, public. Wait, we gotta wait for them. I heard that.
Oh no.
We're gonna baby lips.
You just rammed the gutter. No damage. No damage. Yeah, we're now in building number 2 and I feel like it's too dark. Need to get the polarizer off. Ta-da! Rainbow. How sick is that? Rainbow. It's like perfectly going from that building into this building right here. Rainbow, sick. cream and water.
That's a good mix, bro.
I need all of them in me right now.
Forklift for, I don't, do you want to break your back? No. Exactly, I don't want to break my back. So, I'm picking up the forklift, I'm using the forklift. What do you need on the forklift? You gotta just use the trolley. Ah, where's the trolley? It's right over there. Oh, but the forklift's here. It's closer. What have you been breaking?